Hi everyone, it's Daryl here from TutorPro, and today we're going to discuss learning paths. Now, you may have heard about these before in other systems, referred to as learning plans or pathways, or perhaps even development programs. But essentially here at TutorPro, a learning path is a series of learning modules put together to create one shared learning outcome. Now, if I navigate to the library, we can show you a learning path that's in the system. Can navigate to the checklist icon there. It will show us that this is a learning path, and I'll use the pencil to edit this one. Now on the left-hand side, we do have the detail breakdown, things like the path name and the learner link itself, which is something we have looked in detail before on another video. And also we have some information around whether or not the path is active, the path certificate available, description fields, and then a number of attempts allowed, and also a pass mark. Now on the right hand side, you can see there are a few other areas that we can delve into at a deeper level. Things like registration rules or relevance and who can see these in their libraries. Any access issues, and also the courses and notifications linked to the learning path itself. If we click on the courses, we can see the breakdown internally for this learning path. Now, as I mentioned at the start, essentially a learning path in our world at TutorPro is a set of lessons. They might be e-learning modules or instructor-led training, potentially a YouTube video or something along those lines, all put together to create one shared learning outcome. Now, good use cases for these could be things like management training, proficiency on certain applications, or potentially even an onboarding program. Now, there are a couple of cool things that you can do once you're looking at the courses. We can set something up called Prerequisites, where all the courses must be completed in order. Something very good for the onboarding program, so that the new starters are getting a very defined introduction to the organization. But also you can have a bit more flexibility and introduce the equivalence. Equivalency in our world is essentially saying that these two instructor-led courses, the Introduction to Word and the Word Masterclass, are the same or equate to all of these different modules on e-learning. At the end, you should have the same competency or proficiency, and we'll also offer a final assessment at the end of that learning path. Hope that gives you a little bit of inside information on what a learning path looks like at TutorPro, but if you have any questions at all, as always, please ask.